You're watching How Leap. Let's see how to change the DNS server on your iPhone to potentially improve speed and privacy. Open the Settings app and tap Wi-Fi. Find the Wi-Fi network you are connected to and tap the eye information icon next to it. Scroll down and tap Configure DNS. By default, it is set to automatic. Tap Manual. Tap Add Server. Now enter the DNS server address you want to use. For Google DNS, type 8888 and tap Add Server again to add a secondary like 8844. For Cloudflare DNS, use 1111 and 1001. You can add multiple servers. The iPhone will use them in order. To remove the default servers, tap the red minus icon next to each. When finished, tap Save in the top right. Your iPhone will now use the new DNS servers for that specific Wi-Fi network. This change only applies to the network you edited. You must repeat these steps for each Wi-Fi network you use. Using a custom DNS can sometimes resolve websites faster, block ads, or provide more privacy than your internet provider's default DNS. To revert, go back to Configure DNS and select Automatic. For more simple iPhone network tutorials, subscribe to the channel.